Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to start with chapter 3, which is Plant Kingdom. So before studying plants in detail, we must understand how plants are classified. Earlier, organisms were classified only on the basis of external features like size, color, or habitat. This system were called artificial classification system, and they often placed unrelated plants together. Later, natural classification systems were developed, which considered morphology, anatomy, embryology, and phytogeny. Today, we will follow phylogenetic classification, which is based on evolutionary relationships. In this chapter, we study kingdom Plantae, excluding fungi, bacteria, and cyanobacteria. The plant kingdom is divided into algae, bryophytes, petridophytes, gymnosperms, and angiosperms. We'll start with the algae, the simplest plant group. So, algae are chlorophyll bearing, simple, thyroid, autotrophic, and most aquatic organisms. They may live in freshwater, marine water, or even on moist surface like rocks, soil, and tree trunks. Some algae live in symbiotic association with fungi and form lichens. Now let us understand general characteristics of algae. The first one is plant body is called thylus, where no root, stem or leaf differentiation. Algae show great variation in size and form. They range from microscopic unicellular forms like chlamydomonans to large multicellular forms like kelps. Algae are primary producers in aquatic ecosystems. They perform photosynthesis and release large amount of oxygen, and NCERT says at least half of the total carbon dioxide fixation on earth is done by algae. Now let us understand reproduction in fungi. Algae reproduce by three modes, which is vegetative reproduction, asexual reproduction, and sexual reproduction. Vegetative reproduction occurs by fragmentation. Each fragment develops into a new thylus, and sexual reproduction occurs by formation of spores, most commonly zoospores. Zoospores are flagellated and motile. Sexual reproduction occurs by fusion of gametes and may be anisogamaceous, gametes unequal in size, and oogamaceous, large non-motile female gamete and small motile male gamete. Now let us understand economic importance of algae. NEET love this. Algae are primary producers in aquatic food chains. Edible algae are Porphyra, Laminaria, Sargassum, agar from Galladium and Gerseralia used in culture media. And what do you mean by culture media? So culture media are special nutrient substance used in the lab to grow, culture and study microorganisms. In simple way, culture media is food for microorganisms. Carcinogen, which is red algae, and algin, which is brown algae, are commercial hydrocolloids. And what are hydrocolloids? So, hydrocolloids are water loving substances that form gel or thick solutions when mixed with water. So that's it for today's video. In next video, we'll be learning about classification of algae, which is very important for NEET, and I'll be saying remembering tricks too. So please like, share it with your friends and subscribe.